Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which will be my Amazon affiliate link. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are in the prime time now for holiday sales, holiday deals. So you might want to definitely check these guys out and take advantage of their deals going on. Oh boy. This is... Come on. A little tough son of a gun to get out. Come on. I wish it was in a box. Okay, we'll cut it. They did package it well, so. Fast and Furious. Here we go. Alright. Looks like we've got something here. Oh, this is going to be a part for a bike, I do believe. Billet. You guys need bike parts. Definitely check them out. And I'll leave the description down below. I believe it's for... Let me double check. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. This is for the... Coming from Billfaro. It's a reinforced billet progression triangle aluminum suspension. It is for the Sur-Ron Light B, X, and XX, and also for your Segways, X160 and X260. So if you have any of those three, this is a perfect one to get. Look at that beauty. Ooh, can't wait to try this on. The Segway should be easy to install. And then that's about it. So if you guys are looking for some parts for your Sur-Ron Light B or your Segway, definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Look at this. I got the holes right there for the screw it in. Pop it in. It'll be all set. Really nice. Really nice indeed. We'll be right back.